foodies, let's dive into this drool-worthy crispy chicken cheese bites recipe using a star ingredient, Zorabian farm fresh chicken mince. First, in a bowl, mix together chicken mince, Kashmiri red chili powder, crushed green chilies, roasted jeera powder, chili flakes, ginger garlic paste, coriander, egg and salt to taste. Then add some breadcrumbs and mix well. Now comes the fun part. Take a handful of the mixture, gently mold it around a delectable cheese cube, shaping it into a delightful patty. Next, coat the patties with thin slice of samosa patty sheet for that extra crispiness. Heat up some oil in a pan and fry the chicken cheese bites until they turn golden brown and crispy. And just like that, your crispy chicken cheese bites are ready to steal the show. Be sure to share your culinary masterpiece with us by tagging Zorabian Chicken on your page. Let's get cooking!